นั่นแหละมันฟังให้หายกันเนื้อ
ตัวใหญ่เนาะผมว่านั่นเนาะ
You like baby? Poland? You like baby? See? You need more your sister or no? You have Saya play with you, right? Your friend is Saya, right? Saya, your niece. Yeah. You go school Monday? Back school? Wow. You have good New Year celebrate at home? You got a lot present? Yeah, somebody give you a lot of gift, a present, Christmas? Wow, thank you. Come visit sister, okay? That's your sister. Your little sister. Yeah, she cute like you. She cute like you. Her name Thida, okay? Thida.